Hi, my name is Anna. I am going to school. Hi, I am Tom. We are going to school. We go to school by walking. It is a form of exercise. It makes us strong. In just a minute, we are in school. S, k, h, o, l. School. It is a big building. The building has many floors and rooms. How many pupils go to school this year? More than 1,000. A lot. Why do we go to school? To learn many things. Who teaches us? We belong to the same class. It will be Teacher Tess. Good morning, Teacher Tess. I am Anna, and this is Tom. Good morning, Teacher Tess. Good morning, Anna. Good morning, Tom. Today is our first day in school. Are you ready to study and learn? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Have you seen what is inside our school? Come on, I'll show you around. What do we see here? This is the principal's office. This is Teacher Alan, our PE teacher. This is the classroom of the first grade. This is the library. Library. L, E, B, R, A, R, E. Library. Library. Terms or words that you always hear in school. Teacher. Students. Class. Classroom. Classmate. Toilet. Toilets. Chalk. Book. Pen. Paper. Pencil. Stairs. Blackboard. Whiteboard. whiteboard marker, clock, recess, desk, chair, table, window, door, fan, light, TV set, computer, laptop, eraser. This is Teacher Betty. She teaches how to read and write. She teaches numbers and number words. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, she teaches colors too. Colors. K, O, L, O, R, S. Colors. Colors. Red. R, E, D. Red. Orange. O, R, A, N, G, E. Orange. Yellow. E, E, L, L, O, U. Yellow. Green. G, R, E, E, N. Green. Light blue. L, E, G, H, T, P, L, A, E. Light blue. L, A, E. Blue. Dark blue. D, A, R, K, B, L, A, E. Dark blue. Purple. P, A, R, P, L, E. Purple. White. W, H, E, T, E. White. Black. B, L, A, K, K. Black. Mga mommies, hindi pa ba marunong magbasa ang iyong mga anak? Ito na ang iyong pagkakataon. Join our group, Moms as Tutors.